One problem that students who use online textbooks like MyMathLab or Course Compass face is not being able to see enough of the material that's being presented on the screen. For example, as you look at this screen, you see that the banner for the Math 11A beginning algebra is quite large. To see the entire thing, we'd have to use the scroll bar. To see all of the buttons on the left-hand navigation bar, we'd also have to use the scroll bar. And when we do homework, it would be very difficult to see the entire homework template with the question and answers being presented and so forth. So what I would like to show you is how to reset the screen resolution so that we can see more of what is being presented in the online textbook. To do that, I'm going to minimize the MyMathLab page. And what you're looking at now is the desktop. I'm going to go to the desktop, and with the cursor on the desktop, I'm going to right-click on the mouse button, which brings up this dialog box. I'm going to then go to the Properties tab. When I click the Properties tab, I now have this dialog box. There are a number of tabs across the top, and the tab Settings is the tab that I'm going to select. And under Screen Resolution, I have the ability to set the screen resolutions so that I see less or more. Now, in some cases, you're only able to choose one of the two settings. In other cases, you're able to choose intermittent settings as we move the needle, and we actually see on the screen how the image changes. As I go to the less, I see the image gets larger, and as I go to more, I see that it gets smaller. If you only have one choice or the other, choose more. If you have the ability to choose intermittent values, I'm going to choose a value which is towards the less setting, and then simply click OK. When I click OK, the screen will go black for an instant and then come back at the actual setting that I have selected. Now when I look at my screen, I see that I can see considerably more of the entire page. And when I go to homework problems, like you see here, I can see the entire homework problem with all of the help buttons and the question area as well as the answer area. So using that screen resolution setting is a real benefit. So on your home computer or on the computers in class or at the library, feel free to use that resetting of the screen resolution by following the steps that I've just showed you.